establishing a permanent colony of humans on Mars is not an option. It's a necessity. At least, that's what some of the most innovative, intelligent minds of our age, Buzz Aldrin, Elon Musk, Bill Nye, and Neil deGrasse Tyson, are saying. Envisioning the benefits of costly manned Mars missions is challenging, as the immense funds required could have more immediate impacts on pressing global issues like cancer and hunger. Human tendency for short-sightedness emphasizes present concerns over long-term advancements. Imagine a world beyond Earth, a thriving civilization on the enigmatic red planet. But why should we dare to venture so far from home? Get ready as we uncover 5 compelling and indisputable reasons that demand humanity's journey to colonize Mars. Get ready to uncover a future that's not just a dream, but an inevitable reality. Before we dive in, like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any tech update from our channel. Here are the 5 reasons humans must colonize Mars. Number 1. Ensuring the survival of our species. The history of Earth's challenges and the vulnerability of life's existence here underscore the need for humans to expand to other planets for long-term survival. Dinosaurs' extinction due to an asteroid serves as a reminder. Elon Musk emphasizes the importance of becoming a multi-planet species for humanity's preservation and founded SpaceX to achieve this goal. Mars, with its similarity to Earth's day length and water ice, is a prime candidate, considering the unsuitability of Venus, Mercury, and the Moon as alternatives. Number 2. Discovering life on Mars. Bill Nye, CEO of the Planetary Society, advocates prioritizing human exploration of Mars over robotic missions due to humans' potential for much faster discoveries. Although cautious about permanent human settlement, he acknowledges the possibility of significant findings on the planet. One critical discovery would involve investigating whether life currently exists on Mars. To uncover this, deeper digging than current rovers allow is likely required. The Mars life theory suggests that microorganism-rich rocks from the planet could have traveled to Earth, possibly initiating terrestrial life. While Martian rocks on Earth haven't shown life signs, the prospect remains open for Mars exploration. Christopher Impey, a British astronomer, highlights the significance of finding Martian life to test this theory. Number 3. Improving the quality of life on Earth. British Dr. Alexander Kumar's statement in a 2012 BBC News article highlights the importance of pushing human limits by exploring extreme environments like the ocean's depths and outer space. Kumar, while living in Antarctica, examined the benefits and drawbacks of sending humans to Mars. This concept is illustrated through the example of NASA's Hubble Space Telescope, which, despite initial engineering flaws, led to the development of an algorithm used in breast cancer detection. This instance exemplifies the unexpected innovation that arises from cross-disciplinary influences. Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson emphasizes the frequent occurrence of such revolutionary connections between different fields. Number 4. Growing as a species. Astrophysicist Tyson advocates for going to Mars as it can inspire future space explorers and encourage students to pursue careers in science and technology. He believes that the next generation of astronauts currently in middle school could be landing on Mars. Space exploration fuels technological advancements and innovation, reflecting broader societal ambitions and NASA's role in driving ambition. Number 5. Demonstrating political and economic leadership. During a Senate hearing, Aldrin emphasized the importance of reaching Mars, not just for scientific reasons, but also as a strategic policy. He believed that establishing a lasting presence on Mars would showcase enduring American leadership. Aldrin warned that if the U.S. doesn't reach Mars, another entity will, resulting in potential political and economic advantages for the successful party. Neil deGrasse Tyson also expressed concern that losing space dominance could negatively impact societal and economic competitiveness. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest technological revelations. And if you have any thoughts, comments about the subject or any suggestions for us, Do let us know in the comment box.